Ever notice how your engine sounds a bit grumpy or rough when you first twist the key on a cold morning only to have it smooth out once things warm up? What? If you are seeing the code P054C on your dashboard, then your car is trying to tell you that the camshaft timing on bank 2 is staying way too advanced during that initial cold startup phase. This is an OBD 2 generic code that you will find on anything from a Ford or Nissan to a high-end BMW or Mercedes-Benz. And it is something you should take seriously because it directly affects how your engine breathes. Your EEC-M or engine control module is like a super fast computer that manages everything from fuel injection to the VVT, or variable valve timing system. This system is designed to adjust the timing between the crankshaft and the camshaft, so you get the best fuel economy and power depending on how you are driving. When the engine is cold, the computer tries to set a specific timing profile, but if it detects that the timing is over-advanced or stuck, it triggers this warning. Keep in mind that bank 2 is the side of your engine that does not have cylinder number 1, so that is where you need to focus your attention. Since this system relies heavily on oil pressure to move the camshaft phasers, having dirty oil or the wrong oil weight can totally wreck the timing logic. You might notice the car struggling to idle or even misfiring when you first start it up, and your fuel economy will definitely take a hit if this stays unfixed. To troubleshoot this, you should first look for any TSB or technical service bulletins, because sometimes a simple software flash at the dealership is the answer. If the software is fine, you will need to inspect the camshaft and crankshaft position sensors, or maybe even the intake valve timing control solenoid for any debris or mechanical failure. Sometimes just a tiny bit of sludge in the oil groove can block the hydraulic flow and cause the timing to stay advanced, so keeping up with your oil changes is the absolute best way to prevent this headache from happening in the first place.